Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the exact steps you need to take in order to find your winning product, to disrupt the market or to get going in the niche you want to get going. Don't skip this. If you do that, you will most likely have a problem. Believe me or not, it's your choice. Anyway, I will show you the 5 steps, one after the other, and give you questions to each step you can answer in order to get going and to keep the costs low and the bar you need to take as low as possible. So, number 1 in finding your winning product is, what does your target audience actually want? That's the first question you need to answer. The second is, what is on the market already? Number 3, can you make it better? Number 4, build your winning MVP. Very important. And number 5, test it and sell it at least once. So I created this beautiful document for you with questions to each step, so you can download it. It's free. You can use it. You can change it. You can do whatever you want with it. Just use it if you want. So if you answer these questions to each point, it's very likely that you have a very good picture of what you actually need to do to get going in a market or to get going in a niche. So number 1, of course, what does your target audience want? Define your target audience. You don't need to, of course, but I would suggest you should. It's one of the most common marketing tools you can use in order to understand a little bit more who is that I'm selling to. So answer these 4 questions. What do they want to achieve? What is their goal? What are their fears? And what do they dream for? So it's very important to get this basic knowledge in order to give them exactly that. So if you create a product like sunglasses or something, then you need to know what does your target audience want. If you create them in pink, I would not buy it for myself. I maybe would buy it for my daughter, but not for me. So you see, it depends on your target audience and what they want and so on and so forth. Then what is on the market already? There are so many people I start working with who don't know their competitors, and it's so important to know their competitors. If you want to rank in Google, for example, with your online store and your 5 products or your 500 products, you need to know who is your competitor and how much work do you need to put in order to compete with them on a certain level. So you need to know what they are doing and you need to know who they are. Who are your 5 strongest competitors? You can use tools like Ahrefs for that. Put the keyword in and then it will show you who is competing with you on your niche. Maybe you find companioning products which you need to create as well, because everybody wants to have the sunglasses plus some hat or whatever. So understand what your competitors are doing. Then ask yourself the question, can you make it better? What is the one thing that you can do better instantly? So maybe you have a service business and maybe you understand that your competitors are really bad in support. So maybe it's only necessary to create a better support system next to the regular product in order to be better than your competitors. Then build your winning MVP. What's that? The MVP is the minimum viable product. So try to make your product as simple as possible in the beginning. Don't put too much effort into it for as long as you don't know that somebody actually will buy it. So the more work you put in, the more expensive your product basically gets. It doesn't matter if you put the work in and the time and the effort, or if you pay somebody to put time and effort into your products, it gets more expensive the more you build. So build as few things as possible and make it as small as possible. Put in as low effort as possible and make only the one thing from step 3 to make it better. And then test it and sell it to at least one person besides your grandma. So you really need to sell somebody who doesn't know you first. It's very important. If you lie to yourself and say, yeah, everybody in my old class bought it, maybe they just like you and maybe they want to see you succeed. Sell it to somebody who actually wants it and who doesn't know you at all. If you can do that, you know it's possible and you get proof that your product solves a problem or serves something people actually want. And then you can start creating your marketing strategy, create your products, and so on and so forth. So take this stuff, download it, use it, and answer these questions in order to build your perfect online store or in order to build your perfect sales system for your products. If you want to pay somebody to do that for you, come to us. We're doing this for you. So it's your choice. I wish you good luck and I see you in the next video.